Hola estudiantes. Today's lesson is el calendario, the calendar. So let's review the vocabulary. You should have this passed out to you. And I will wait. The teacher can pause this video until everyone has a copy and then restart the video. And let's begin. Repeat after me. El calendario. Otra vez. El calendario. It means the calendar. I'm not going to give you every English word because you have it there to see, to read. I'm just going to do the Spanish. Repeat then. La fecha. La fecha. We use la fecha in our question word with the date. ¿Cuál fecha es hoy? What is today's date? La fecha. The next category is days of the week. So repeat then. Los días de la semana. Otra vez. Los días de la semana. Now we'll go through the days of the week, Monday through Sunday, and then we'll repeat it once again. Repeat then. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Okay, otra vez. Now when I say them, I'm going to give you the first letter of each letter in sign language. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Okay, muy bien, muy bien. The next category, the months of the year. Los meses del año. Repeat then. Los meses del año. Una vez más, one more time. Los meses del año. Now I'll go through all the 12 months and then we'll go through it one more time. Repeat then. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, diciembre. Otra vez, one more time. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, octubre, septiembre. Oh, I think I did that one already. Sorry. Noviembre, diciembre. So, the months of the year, 11 of them look like the English word. There's only one month that doesn't look like the English month, and that's the first month of the year, enero for January. All the other ones look like our English words, which is nice. It's easy for us to remember that. So let's talk about mayo. It's not mayo. We're not going to pronounce it like mayonnaise. It's mayo. Then we have 2 months, junio and julio. It's not going to be junio or junio because the J in Spanish is like an H. Junio, which is my birthday month, el primero de junio, and then Julio, where we have the 4th of July, el cuatro de julio. And then we have the month of October. We don't, Spanish doesn't go ah. Our O's are always going to be O. We push it out. So round your lips, O, and push out the O. Octubre. Octubre. Not Octubre. Octubre. Okay. Thank you. Gracias. Now the last category. Las estaciones. The seasons. Hay cuatro, just like in English. There's 4 seasons, just like in English. So repeat them. Las estaciones. Otra vez. Las estaciones. Okay, repeat that. Primavera, verano, otoño, invierno. Okay, otra vez, one more time. Primavera, verano, otoño, invierno. So we take a look at these. 1 out of the 4 ends in A. So that's going to be la primavera. All the rest of them end in O, so it's el verano, el otoño, el invierno. And otoño, just like octubre, you push out the O's. This has a lot of O's, 3 O's, and then it has the ñ in it. Otoño. Otoño. Okay, very good. Now let's go on to our activities. So you should have these activity sheets. This activity sheet, days, months, and season acrostic puzzle, is a fun puzzle. So let's talk about how it works. So fill in the boxes of the puzzle with the Spanish words listed below. Use the letters in the phrase el 16 de septiembre to help you complete the puzzle. So you're going to have to be counting letters, seeing where letters are to figure out what words below go where. So they did one for us. They did 21. So we already had the B in there. And this was a uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Una palabra con cinco letras, a 5-letter word with 5 letters. And B was the second letter, B. So we're looking for a 5-letter word with B as a second letter. And that would be abril. So they wrote abril here for us. So let's go over to numero uno. So the first thing you want to do is count the boxes. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, ocho. Ocho letras. So this is a word with ocho letras, 8 letters. And the last letter is E. So look for all your words that end in E. Oh, there's diciembre, octubre, oh, and septiembre. So we want to count the letters of these words, and we're looking for an 8, an ocho, ocho. Una palabra con 8 letras, a word with 8 letters. So let's start with diciembre. We have uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve. That's 10. Let's do it again. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, oh, nueve, 9 letters, nueve. So that can't be it. Let's go over to octubre. We have uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, ocho. So that will work. But then we have septiembre. Well, I can already see that septiembre has more than 8 letters. But let's count anyway. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, 10. This has 10 letras, 10 letters. So octubre. So we're going to write O, C, T, U, B, R, and there's the E. Octubre. And go ahead and cross that out so you can keep track of what you've used and that you won't get confused and use it again. So now you know how to do this. You can work in small groups of three inside class voices or not outside. And you need to get this done. You might not complete it, but you'll get back to it next time if you have time. But this should be completed before I get back in 2 weeks. So let's go to the next page in case some of you get this done because some of you are pretty fast. Some of you can work fast. So let's go down to the next page. This is days, month, and season word scramble. Unscramble the letters to form the Spanish days of the week and months of the year. So this is a little hard, but what I would do is I would look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have a 5 letter word and it has the letters, these letters in it. So I would say, okay, what word has 5 letters and has an L in it? So you want to go back to your vocabulary page and look for a 5 letter word. Let me see. It's going to be one of these. It's going to be like in here or in here or here. So, see, uno, dos, here's an L. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. So we have this lunes, that's 5 letters. That's the only one here with an L. And then we have uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. And here's one with an L. And let's go here. Let me see. Oh, but it doesn't have a B in it. It doesn't have a B, so it can't be Abril. It probably can be lunes. I bet it might be lunes because it has an Lunes. Let's take a look. Yeah, Lunes. This is lunes. So you're going to put Lunes. Okay. And now let's go to the next one. We have uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. This is a 10 letter word. And it has this letter P because not a lot of words have P in it. So pe. So let's look up here and we're looking for a letter with pe. I don't see it here. No pes. No pes. No pes. Oh, there's one with pe. No. And here's one with pe. So we're looking for a 10 letter word. We already knew this one was 10 letters. Remember in our last puzzle, we counted this out and this had 10. Let's look at this one. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, no, nueve. This only has 9 letters. So I bet this word here is septiembre. So you're going to spell septiembre in here. Septembre. So use your cheat sheet. That's what I call it, your days, months, and season cheat sheet to write these in there correctly. So you do this if you get the acrostic puzzle done. And then you come and do this. But I want this one to be done before I get back. This is just extra, extra. Okay. Adios. Gracias.